How to turn video pop-out on and off on Opera GX browser. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can easily toggle that button. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Opera GX browser. And once you open it up, you're going to have to access your settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll find your sidebar, and right below that, you have the gear icon to go to settings. And once you land on the settings page, all you have to do is scroll through the GX basics until you find the video option. If you don't find it here, you can try to see it on the browser version, on the browser settings. You can find the settings here. Or if you don't even find it here, what you can do is simply go ahead and click on the search option. And then from here, you can simply go ahead and search for video pop-up. Search for something called video pop, and the settings will open up. And here you'll find the enable video pop-out option. Toggle this on to turn it on and toggle it off to turn this one off. You can also customize it by turning on the automatic pop-out videos when possible or make pop-out transparent. So this is all up to you. This is the entire customization that you can do on the settings. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.